roll. Wow, absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna untie this here, and these are the bags I would assume that they go in. I'm not too sure. And oh yeah, here we go. Here they are in the flesh. Wow, absolutely beautiful. An opera pump if I ain't never seen one. Just absolute pure class. As you can see here, I went up a size, so this is a UK sizing, and I went up to a 10.5, which is what a UK size I would be. So this is a size above what I normally would, and I normally do this with loafers because they are cut smaller than they are regular shoes. The reason why I purchased this shoe is because of the bow. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and as you can see here, inner lining is just immaculate. And Myrqvist, if I understand and pronounce correctly, this looks like Grosgrain if I'm not sure, but looks like it matches my tuxedo as well, which is kind of cool. And it's black here on the bottom, and wow, what a beauty to behold. I cannot wait to wear this to my event. I actually do want to mention something about this. This is the time of COVID, so I will mention this. The shipping, I never got an order telling me it was shipped. I actually reached out to the customer service. They weren't responsive as far as the warehouse to the actual customer service. Customer service responded to me absolutely immaculately. I have no qualms with them whatsoever, but the actual warehouse that these were contained in Italy, they did not get back to her, so she still has not gotten back to me yet, and I never received anything to telling me that these were on their way or anything. And I ordered these February 4, 2022, and I got them just now. So that's what, about 18 days, give or take, if the 4th is the correct day. It's give or take 1 or 2 days. So it took me about 2.5, 3 weeks to get them in. And honestly, I'm not that upset about it. It's shipped internationally. I got them on time. If you're looking for an opera pump with a relatively decent price on this website here, I don't know if it's the exact same shoe. It might be. I honestly do not know. I couldn't tell you there's a difference between the two of them. But on their website, it is like over $200. And on the Rake's website, these are about $185, $190, somewhere in there. So you're actually getting somewhat of a discount, in my opinion. The bow on them is the reason why I bought them, because a lot of these shoes in this price range don't have a really nice looking bow. In my opinion, it's just like a flat band. It doesn't actually have a bow. So that's something that really drew me to these shoes, is the way the bow is tied. I will actually leave a link in the description to these actual shoes so you guys can check them out. They have different sizes, and if you need help with that, please do contact the Rake team. Like I said, the customer service is immaculate. I bought 2 shoes from there so far, one of them being the black Oxfords that I have from Carmina, and the second one is the one I have right here in my hand. I will leave that as a video that you guys can watch right there on the end screen. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and for daily content, please follow me on Instagram, and I'll link it down in the description.